Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question 180 divided by in the parenthesis 10 plus 5 multiply 9. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly. But before I show you the answer, I want to see your answer. So please stop this video and comment your step by step answer. Okay, I am personally scoring every comment from out of 10. So let's see who get a perfect score 10 out of 10. Okay, so please stop this video and comment your answer and then play this video to check your answer. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question we have one parenthesis and one multiplication. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. So in this parenthesis we have one division and one another parenthesis. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so is equal to 180 divided by 10 plus 5 is equal to 15 multiply 9. Now here we have one parenthesis and one multiplication. So first we have to solve this parenthesis. So 180 divided by 15 is equal to 12 multiply 9. So 12 multiply 9 is equal to 108. Okay, so the correct answer is 108. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.